Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook account permanently on PC. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Now, log in to your Facebook account. Then, click on your profile picture on the top left. Go to Setting and Privacy. From the menu, click Settings. A new page will open. From here, click on Privacy. In Privacy, you have to click on Your Facebook Information. In the bottom, you will see a Deactivation and Deletion tab. Click on it and select Delete Account. On the next page, select Delete again and enter your password. This will permanently delete your Facebook account. I hope this video was of help. Bye.